Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you actually start about to go through something. You can start to engage through every single progress you want to start with it as soon as possible with a very important levels that should be really engaging with our progress over here on how you actually deal with the moment that is about things called change the color of icon. Okay, so now what we gonna do is about to follow instructions in this video about to change color of icons. It's really dependable on some situations like actually going with very good progresses, very good introductions that is really satisfied with that thing that we are going to see if it's really going to be good with the part that is happening. And I think that should be really about to select the vector icon that we want to recolor and group it. So what kind of icon we want? So we can kindly start to search for icon and create icon now. Icon on the plugin. Flow-fi Olive. Okay, open iconic icon. Icon or icon library. Okay, we can see the icon here. We can start to load some icons over that, and we now starting through some things that is really absolutely very good situated with loading icons. Okay, so we have this icon is not loading anymore, so we can start to click here icon again. Maybe we can start to see the flow-fi or anything but icons. And here we go. We can wait the icon is loading, and as you can see, we can start to see this icon and add it. Okay, and we can suggest that this is really this icon is a shape. Now once you go for a shape, creating the icon, we can start to scroll down here. Now once you do that, you can click on fill, and then starting with that you can start to add this as icon, and that is all about